Hey Matthew, so here I got a Coleman KT196, a used go-kart, no roll cage. I need to change the oil. Starts up on first pull, but when I check the oil, we got gray oil. So yeah, we're gonna change that. So I'll show you where you check for oil. Right there, that's the dipstick. And here where I got this bit at, that's you gotta unscrew that to get the oil out. So let's attempt that. Might just be a 10 mm. So let's try it out. Let's check it out. By the way, I got a pan at the bottom already. Like I said, it's gray oil, so I have aluminum disposable pan, so we can get rid of that properly. For some reason, it seems like it's tightening. Am I going the wrong way? It's supposed to be lefty loosey. What's going on here? Yeah, we're gonna go the other way. Looks like I was tightening it. Yep. Yep. So, if you're on this side, it should have been lefty loosey, but for whatever reason, I'm turning the other way. Let's see if we can get a money shot of that gray oil. Let's see. A little hard to see there. Well, let's see. Look at that oil. Now, I am super surprised this was starting up on our first pull. Look at that. It's just like gray sludge. It's not even coming out yet. It's about to hit that pan. Oh, there it goes. All right, so I'm gonna fully get that oil out. Let me also open the dipstick. And let's just get all of that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get that all out. All right. Once I clear that out, I'm gonna run some either brake cleaner or compressed air through the system, through the engine. I'll probably put fresh oil, let it drain the fresh oil, and then put fresh oil again. All right, I let that gray oil drain for a while. So what I did in the meantime, I was spraying compressed air right through there where you fill up the oil. I had the bolt underneath unscrewed still, and that allowed the excess gray oil to come out. Now I have a funnel to it. I'm gonna put some fresh oil to run through the system before I actually cap it off and keep the oil in there. So let's see how that does. Okay, so while trying to film, my phone fell off the tripod and right into the oil. Fun. All right, guys. So, like I said, I'm gonna dump some fresh oil in. Hopefully, this contraption works, and let's see if we can drain some out. Let's see. Oh, maybe a little too fast. Let's see how that's looking. Yep, we're draining out from the bottom there. You can see that fresh oil draining. So I'm gonna add more, just gotta do it slowly because of the way the funnel is positioned. We don't want none to spill out on the side. Now I know this Coleman, it takes 0.63 quarts to fill up, which is equivalent to about 20 ounces. I decided to get a measuring cup for this process. So right now I didn't put 20 ounce to clear it out. I got about 16 ounces here to clear out this engine. And I'll let it drip out before I add the oil that I'm gonna keep in there. So between compressed air and this fresh oil here, I'm hoping it'll clean out the system, to my liking. My phone dropped right in that pan. All right. Next step would be, let's finish letting that drain out, and then I would add fresh oil to keep in there. Okay, I'm gonna add the drain plug back on. This cart is it's in such a tight spot, but we're gonna get it going. So I ran oil through it, fresh oil to drain that old gray gunky oil that was in there. So I'm putting this plug back on. Then I'll put about 20 ounces of fresh oil in there. Let's get this ratchet. Make sure it's tight. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall in the oil again. That was just terrible. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. All right. All right, that's tight. Let's add some oil now. All right, let's start it up. Kill switch on. Got the fuel line on already. Let's put the choke. Take the choke off real quick.